Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Dholakiya from Std-6th Primary School. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we will study chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers of Standard 6 and CERT. So first, what is number? In day-to-day life we are using numbers. But what do you mean by numbers? A number is a digit. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right? So when two numbers gets together, 2 and 4, it becomes number. When two digits comes together, it becomes number. So here 2 and 4 comes together and have made 24 as a number. Now, for example, I want to write number of more digits. Then I have to take more than 2 digits. That is 3, 4, 5. Here I have taken 3 digits to make the greater number, bigger number. So 3 digit combines and it becomes 345. Coming to next, if I want to make larger than this, then what I should do? I have increased 1 digit in particular digits. Here 4 digits I have taken, 2, 1, 4, 5. Now altogether number becomes 2145. So by combining the digits we can make a number. Now we should aware of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the digits of the numbers. Now, as we are using in our day-to-day life, it is very important to have clear concept of all the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this chapter, we will learn different concepts regarding numbers, right? First concept of the chapter is comparison of number. How we will compare the number, whether the given number is greater or smaller. Now we will take different examples. First example is of 1 digit. Now if it is of 1 digit, then easily we can compare it. That 9 is smaller than 5. So here we will insert the sign of smaller. Now suppose the digit is, suppose the number is of 2 digits. Here what we will do? Here we have to check places of the number. Now what is the places? These are all the places of number. First place, second place. Here first place is 1. Here first place is 4. 1 is smaller than 4. So we can say 19 is smaller than 45. Now we will take the number which has 3 digits. Here also we will check first place of the number. Here is 9, here it is 8. 9 is greater than 8, so we come to know that 947 is the greater number. Now, if the number is having similar places, for example, I have taken 441 and 447. So, here we can see that first place of both the number is same. So places same. Again 4 and 4. So again we cannot judge. Now we will go for third place. 1, 7. Here is the difference. 1 is smaller than 7. So 441 is smaller than 447. Same thing we can do for 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit and so on. Here we will take one more example. Suppose I have written 464 and 454. Here in this first place is same. Then go to second. 6, 5. 6 is greater. So whole number is greater than given number. That is 464 is greater than 454. So we will insert sign like this. Now one more example. Let me give 1002. 1002. In this case, by observing each and every digit which are same, we can say both the numbers are equal, right? So this is how we have to compare numbers 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit and can be more than that 5, 6 and 7 digit also. Next topic is ordering the number. How to order? Now ordering the number includes 2 points, ascending order and descending order. Whenever we want to arrange the set of number in ascending order, we have to start from smaller number. Whereas if we want to arrange it in a descending order, we have to start from greatest number first. Now here some set of numbers are given to you. We will check out which is the ascending number and how to write descending. Now first 21, 57, 39 and 8. Out of these numbers, here 3 numbers given to you are of 2 digit. 1 number given to you is of 1 digit. So the number which has less number of digits is smaller. So first we will take 8 as we are arranging in ascending order. Now in AO means ascending order. Ascending order, first we will take 8. Now given rest of 3 digits are of 2 digits. So we will check 21, 2, 5, 3. So 2 is smaller. So this number will be next. Next number, remaining numbers we will compare. 39 and 57. 3 is smaller. So 39 will come and last 57. Same way, if we want to arrange in descending order, we will start from the greatest, which is the last number of ascending order. We can say that opposite of ascending will be your descending order. So, in descending order, we have to start from greatest number 57, then 39, 21, then 8. So this is how we have to arrange the given number in ascending and descending order. Now let's see another example. Here 3-digit numbers are given to you. All the numbers are of 3 digits. So we cannot judge which number is greater and which is smaller directly. So we need to compare the first places of the number. Here it is 4, 5, 3, 8. Sorry, 9. Now out of these numbers, thing. Now I need to compare rest of three numbers. 437, 541 and 986. Out of this number, 437 is smaller. So 437. Then I needed to compare rest of two numbers, 541 and 986. Here 541 is smaller. So I will write 541 and at last 986, which was remaining. Same way we have to write as descending order. We will write greater number first, that is 986, then 541, then 437, then 380. So this is how we need to arrange the numbers. Next given set is of 4-digit number. Now if we look the numbers, we can see that first place of each number is equal. 9, 9, 9 and 9. Now what we will do? We will move to second place. So first place equal, let us see second place, 8, 7, 6, 5. Here 5 is smaller, so this number is a smaller number. 9566. Then I will compare remaining numbers, that is out of that second place smaller is 9631. So 9631. Now remaining numbers are 9841 and 9742. Out of this number, 9742 is smaller. So we will note down that number, and at last remaining ones, 9841. Same way, descending order, we will write greater number first, 9841, 9742, 9631 and 9566. So this is how we have to order the given numbers. Now we will see Indian and international system of numeration. Here I have taken 7-digit number 6, 8, 3, 2, 1, 7 and 9. Now when I want to write given number as an Indian system, simply when we are writing the number, that number is written in Indian number system. We are not aware of actually, but simple numbers when we are writing, that number is in Indian system of numeration. Now here we can see that last place of the number, last digit of the number starts from 6, 8, 3, 2, 1, 7 and 9. Last digit of the number is called ones place, second last tens, third place hundreds, fourth thousand, fifth 10,000, sixth lakh, seventh 10 lakh. Now if I want to write number of 8 digits, I will add crore and then of 10 crore. So this is as per Indian system. Lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore are included in the Indian system of numeration. Now let us see what is international number system. Now same number, first we are taking from 6, 8, 3, 4179. Here, first place, that means last digit of the number is 9, which is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Up to 10,000 it is same as Indian system. But now we are writing as international system. In place of lakh, we need to take 100,000. Instead of taking 10 lakh, we have to take million. Instead of taking crore, we have to take 10 million. Instead of 10 crore, we need to take 100 million. So, million, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 millions are included in international system of numeration, whereas lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore are included in Indian system. Now, how to insert comma as per the Indian system? To insert the comma, first we will take my number 4, 8, 3, 9, 2, 7. Now, as the Indian system of numeration are having 4 periods, hundreds, tens and ones, first we will insert the comma before hundreds places, that is ones, tens and hundreds over here. Then second period is of thousands, which includes 1000 and 10,000. We will insert the comma before 8. And then here we are having only one digit, which is of lakh. Now, we will not insert comma over here. Suppose it is given 10 lakh. The digit is given for 10 lakh. Then we will insert the comma before this number. Now, more digits are given. Then we have to insert the comma over here. This digit can be read as 7 crore 14 lakh 83,927. Same way, first last 3 digit we will insert the comma from the right side, then 2 digit, then 2 digit, then remaining digit. Suppose if this digit is not given, then we have to stop over here. Okay? Same for international number system. Suppose we are given 6-digit number. So, first period, it has 3 periods. International system is having 3 periods. First period is of 100, tens and ones. So, before 3, from last, we will start inserting comma before 3 digits. Then, second period is of 1000. We will insert the comma again before 3 digits. So, again over here. Now, suppose given number is of 9 digit, we will stop over here. So, this can be read as 614,414,316. Now, we will see how to write the number as per Indian and international system. We know how to insert the comma. Now, here 9 digits are given to us. Means whatever the number we will write will be of 9 digits. Now, as per Indian, we will discuss first. We will write places on the number first, that is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Now we will write number name 72 crore, 94 lakh, 1 12,163. This is as per Indian when 9-digit number is given to you. Suppose if it is of 7-digit, then we have to start from 94,12,163. Suppose it is of 6-digit, 4,12,163. This is the way we have to write the number. Now we will discuss same number as an international number. So first place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So the number will be written as 729 million 163. This is how we have to write as per international. If it is of less digit, then we have to write according to this. Suppose it is of 7-digit, then 9,412,163. Then if it is of 6-digit, then 412,163. This is how we will write number name. Next topic is estimation. First of all, what do you mean by estimation? What is the word estimation tells us? Estimation is a rounding of the number. Now again the question raised, what is the rounding of? Rounding of a number means to get nearer number of a particular number. Now let me give you one example. Suppose there are birthday party at your home. What you will do is first we will roughly calculate how many guests will come or how many number of invitees we need to invite. So we will calculate roughly first, and when the function is there, when at that day the same number of guests you will not receive. For example, you have calculated of 46 guests, invitees, that 46 visitors will visit as our function. But it may happen that on the day of function it can be either 40 or it can either 50, right? So these numbers are nearer to 46, so it is called rounding of the number or approximation of number or estimation of any number. Now for example, if you have given a test of 20 marks, out of 20 you are thinking that my paper was so well that I will get minimum 18 marks. But when madam declares the result, you will get 18 and half. So this is the 18 is the estimation of yours. What is the reality? It's 18 and half. It may be either 16 also. It may be less, it can be more. Now if you have suppose 20 out of 16 marks, it may happen that you get 18 marks in the test out of 20. So whatever the marks you are assuming is called estimation of the marks in this example. Now how to round off the given number? Now to round off the numbers, we will take different examples. Suppose you are given 2 digits. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if you are given 2 digits, that is 27, and you are told to round off the number 27 to nearest tens. So you have to check which number is the nearest tens to 27. For that we will check ones place. Whenever we are rounding off the number to nearest tens, we will check ones place. Now if ones place is less than 5, means if it comes inside this, then you have to keep the number as it is. If it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to add 1 in the given number. How? Let us see in this example. It is 27. 7 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the tens place. And rest of the digits we have to convert into 0. So rounding off number of 27 is 30. Because 7 falls in this category, we will add 1 in this. So rounding off number is 30. Same way, if you are told to round off 22 by nearest tens, same way we will check out 2 is smaller than 5, which comes in this category. So which is smaller than 5, so we will not add. What we will do? We will keep the number as it is, and rest of the digit will be converted into 0. Right? So rounding off number of 22 is 20. This is about nearest tens. Now same for nearest hundreds, thousand. Right? Let us see example. 416, 3-digit number, you have to round off to nearest hundreds. So we need to check tens place. Tens place is 1, which falls in this category. So we will not add, and we will keep the number as it is. 410 is the rounding off number of 416. Same way, if we have 2, round off to nearest hundreds. If it is 5 or greater than 5, what we will do? We will add 1 in this number. So rounding off number will be 500. Same way for thousands. If you are given 4-digit number, you have to check hundreds place. 6 falls in this category, you have to add 1. So rounding off number is 5000. Here you have to see 1 which falls in this category. So it is rounding off number of 4124 is only 4000. So students, only 2 points we have to remember, that if the number is less than 5, then keep the number as it is, and then rest of the digit convert it 0. If the number is greater than 5 or it is 5, then add 1 into that number, and rest of the digit you have to convert into 0. Here we have added, here we have kept as it is. So this is how you have to estimate, you have to rounding off the numbers. Now, next topic is Roman numerals. What is Roman numerals? In ancient time, people were used to write Roman numbers. Whatever the numbers we are writing as a Hindu-Arabic system. But initially Romans were used to write Roman numbers. Nowadays, we are using this number in writing in a clock, writing the name of class. We are somewhere in the mall, we are finding Roman numbers written on the room, or we are finding in school, that is in timetable of the particular class. So there are use of Roman number still. We are using Roman number still, but the use is less. So there are 7 Roman numerals. First is I, which stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, and M stands for 1000. Using these 7 letters or numbers, we can form any number. Now, how to form the number? There are certain rules. We need to understand that rules. First, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Out of these symbols, few symbols we can repeat, but that also cannot more than 3 times. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the symbol of greater value, its value is added. Now, for example, I have written VI. V stands for 5, I stands for 1. 1 is a smaller value which is on the right side. Here it is same, right side. Then that value will be added. So, it will be 5 plus 1, 6. Okay? Same way, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted. Now, for example, if it is written IX, I for 1, X for 10. Here, I is smaller, which is written on the left side. So, we will subtract 10 minus 1, 9. Okay? So, this is how we have to do addition and subtraction in the Roman numbers. Next rule, V and D symbols are never subtracted. You cannot subtract these symbols